morning, Splash. I'm Ruby the Rainbow. Want to go on a color hunt with me today? Woo! Let's find something red. Red, red, look all around. Red like an apple. Let's put it in our color basket and keep looking. Now let's find something orange.
Look, there's Freddy sitting by a big pumpkin.
Orange like a pumpkin. Thanks, Freddy. Now, where can we find something yellow? Yellow like the sun. It's so bright and warm today. Now let's find something green. Look, Sammy's hanging out on a big green leaf. Green like grass and leaves. Woohoo! Green is all around us in Bloop Town. Let's head to the river now. I bet we'll find something blue there. Blue like the water and blue like the sky above. Even Splash is a little bit blue. Splash! Look down at those flowers. I think we found our last color. Purple! Purple like these pretty flowers. Now our basket has every color of the rainbow! You found every color, Splash! That deserves a rainbow celebration! Let's do the rainbow dance! Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. All together now! What a colorful day! Thanks for hunting colors with me, Ruby, Freddy, and Sammy. I have to go now that the sky is clear, but I'll be back after the next rain.
Bye, friends!
Bye, friends! Let's remember all our colors one more time. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Colors are everywhere if you just look around. See how many you can find today.
Thanks for hunting colors with us today. What's your favorite color? Tell us in the comments.
Subscribe to Bloop Town for a new learning adventure every week. See you next time, friends!